Not the normal quality video you'd see, I know. And I don't sound the same because I'm sick and it's Tuesday and it's, what time is it? 12:11 and I stayed home from school because I have a cold and I have absolutely no energy. So I thought it would just be best to lay low for a day. What's up, J3? It's me. I wouldn't say this week's task is to do some online quizzes, and so I downloaded the BuzzFeed app because BuzzFeed quizzes are life and amazing. I have the technology nor the knowledge to show you my screen on here too, so I'm just gonna tell you some of the questions it's asking me. Which Hogwarts professor would be your mentor? Who is the worst? Definitely Dolores Umbridge. Yes, she is. Cast a spell. Sectum Sempra. Yes. Where would you be during the Battle of Hogwarts? Oh, I'd either be casting protective spells or protecting the younger students. I'd probably be casting protective spells. My mentor would be Professor Hagrid. I love Hagrid. Would you defeat Lord Voldemort? Probably not. Pick a magical potion. Veritaserum. I never know how to pronounce that. Veritaserum. Which enemy would you use as a spy? Lucius Malfoy. He's awesome. Who would your faithful companion be? Not Dobby, because we all know what happened to when he tried to make sure Harry didn't go back to Hogwarts. So Buckbeak. Yes, Buckbeak. Would you refer to Voldemort? I love this one. I would so do this. Pardon my language. I'm just reading it off of here. Voldemort, and I could give 0 fucks. Me. You are me. Who would be your favorite professor? Probably Snape, actually, because I love Snape. What power would age you the most? Courage. Pick a Dumbledore's army recruit. Ginny. Whose advice would you follow? Hermione's. She's smart. Actually, wait. No, I'd follow my own. You would defeat Voldemort but die a horrible death. And we guess your passion in life? Probably not. Where do you want to go? New York. I love London and I love Los Angeles, but I really want to go to New York and live there. Choose a kitty. Really? Choose a celebrity BFF. Emma Watson. She is my life. What is your dream job? Actor. Which of these characters are you most like? Hermione Granger, because I don't know any of the others. Oh, Kurt Hummel's on there! Kurt from, oh my god! TV. No, wrong. Oh, which Harry Potter witch should be your BFF? Choose your favorite professor. Severus Snape. Who's your crush? Oh crap! I'm stuck between Ron and Draco. I love both. Ron's humor wins. Which villain do you hate the most? I actually hate Peter Pettigrew a lot. You got Hermione Granger. Yes, she would be my BFF because we'd be like, hey Ron, hey Harry, you gotta study. Your owls are coming up, so get your shit together. I like this one. This will be my last one. This is the last one. How old is your soul? Choose a vacation spot. Oh my god, definitely the one with all the snow. Which emoji do you use the most? The laughing emoji. If you could best be described as, people call me innocent and it annoys the crap out of me. To be honest, I hate it. I absolutely hate it. Let's say unpredictable. Your soul is the same age as you are. You and your soul are in this together. You've never felt the feeling as if you've lived once before. No, I haven't. But that doesn't stop you from soaking up every moment of this life and instilling wisdom in those around you. This may be your soul's first light, but it certainly isn't its last. Okay, I like that. I hope you enjoyed. I know it was really crappy, and I know I sound really crappy, but I wanted to definitely make a video and film today. It's gonna cut me off. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and bye!